Hello everyone in YouTube land. Today is June 7th, 2020, and today I want to go over a few knives in my knife collection which will serve as a baseline for future reviews of knives I intend to do. Again, this is Jedi EDC, and what we do is recommend EDC gear and solutions for ladies and gentlemen in the year 2020. Our goal is to develop one video a week minimum, and so let's get started here. First knife is a knife made by Spyderco. It's called the Spyderco Chaparral. It's a $96 knife. This is a US company, but this particular knife is made in Taiwan. This knife is a manual opener with a weight of 2 ounces. It's very light. Blade material is CTS XHP, which is a premium steel. Has a drop point shape with a flat grind, a blade inch of 2.8 inches. FRN material handling, thumb hole opener, and it is a lockback knife. It does come with a deep carry clip, and this is a very good build, fit, and finish quality knife. Let's go to the second knife. The second knife is a knife that's made by a company called Benchmade. This is called the Black Bug Out BLK-2. This is a $145 knife made in the USA, manual opener, weight of 1.8 ounces. Blade material is CPM S30V. This is a drop point, flat grind knife with a blade length of 3.24 inches. The handle material is called CF Elite, which is basically carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Thumb stud opener with Benchmade's proprietary axis lock. Again, this one does have the deep carry clip on the back for easy concealable carry. The next knife on the list is a very interesting knife. This knife is Open L number 8 carbon steel. This is a $15 knife made in France. It's a manual opener, and it also has a pretty light weight of 1.6 ounces. It's carbon steel material with a standard blade shape and a convex grind. Blade length of 3.25 inches. It's got a nail nick opener. And the lock type is called Viroblock. And so basically what you do is you twist this lock, and it will lock the knife in place to the open position, and if you twist it the other way, you can then close the knife, and then you can lock it for safe carrying. The material handling is beechwood. The material handle is beechwood, and this is also called a peasant's knife. This is a very old design, and it's also a good reference knife for doing knife videos. The next knife on the list is a knife that's made by a company called Kershaw. This is called the Black Blur. This is a $63 knife, and this particular one is a spring-assisted opener. This is made in the USA as well also. The blade material is 14C2-8N, which is a very good steel. You can see that it's going to open very easily when I flick the handle open. That didn't go very well. Let me try that again. So there you go. So this Black Blur is a blade length of 3.38 inches, aluminum handle material with grippy inserts, thumb stud opener. This has a liner lock, which you can see there, and a standard carrying clip. So again, this particular knife here is Ken Onion design, made in the USA. The next knife here I want to show you is called the Benchmade Reptilian 551-1. This is a $187 knife made in the USA, manual opener. This has a weight of 4.17 ounces. The blade steel is CPM 20V. This is a drop point shape, flat grind, 3.45 inch blade length. G10 scales, thumb stud opener, liner lock here. Oh, I'm sorry, not a liner lock. This has the axis lock. This is Benchmade's proprietary axis lock. and it's also got the deep carry pocket clip here, which you can see. This is a well-made knife, great fit and finish, premium steel. One of my favorites. The next knife here is Spyderco Paramilitary 2. This is also a very well-known knife to the knife guys. It's a $186 knife made in the USA, manual opener. Weight is 3.75 ounces. Blade steel is CPM-S110V, which is a premium steel. Clip point, flat grind, blade length 3.44 inches, G10 handles, thumb hole opener, compression lock. The compression lock is unique to this Spyderco, and it's a very interesting lock. Basically, you push here, and the knife will drop shut. It's a very well-made knife, very good action, and that's why it's on this list, because it serves as a benchmark for other comparisons. The final folder on my list is also a knife by Benchmade. This is the Benchmade Morpho 51BK. This particular model is discontinued. It's got the black blade, but you can still get this knife in the satin blade for around $298. I was able to pick one of these up for about $210. But I love it. I love this butterfly knife. The weight is 3.3 ounces, D2 tool steel, spear point, flat grind, blade length 4.25 inches, G10 handles with titanium liner, butterfly opener with a spring latch lock. And it also has a titanium clip, which is very handy. I like carrying this knife. It's very easy to play with and learn how to flip open butterflies. I recommend this knife if you're looking for a butterfly knife. And so finally, to my recommendation for some of you, maybe your first EDC knife, and I'm going to go back to this one. This is, again, the Spyderco Chaparral. I think you will not be disappointed with this knife if you purchase it. I think for $90, the fit and finish on it is outstanding. It's very lightweight, extremely sharp. It's a very good slicing knife. Good for everyday carry, has the good deep pocket clip. It is a lockback, so it's very simple to use, nothing special or fancy to operate it. The thumb opener works very smoothly. It has a very good locking action. So this is my recommendation for your first EDC knife. For EDC knives in general, I recommend folding knives, and I recommend, let's call it, drop point knives, just because of their utilitarian value. They can be used in tactical applications, but they're just most overall good for everyday carry, have the most flexibility, and I recommend drop point folding knives for EDC carry. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. I intend to do future knife reviews comparing to some of these and others I have in my collection. If you'd like to leave a comment, please do so at below. I'll also leave a couple of links, one for which describes the different grinds that I've talked about. For example, hollow, flat, etc. What those are, and so that should be interesting to you for the new knife owners as well. So I hope you found this video interesting, and thanks a lot. Have a good day.